how to turn on autoplay on the YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on autoplay on YouTube app so videos automatically play one after another. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the settings, you simply have to scroll down and there under video and audio preferences, there you simply have to tap on the option labeled playback. And now here in this section, you see the option labeled as autoplay next video. So here to enable autoplay on the YouTube app, you simply have to toggle on this option. And once you do that, the videos will autoplay once the video finishes on the YouTube app. And that's it. That's how you can turn on autoplay on your YouTube app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.